In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the double bottom chart pattern. Quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get this pattern showing up cleanly on your Tradingview charts, even if you're still pretty new to charting. First, make sure you have your chart open in Tradingview. It can be any market or time frame you're analyzing. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it sits near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Indicator and Pattern search window, which is where you'll find all the built-in tools Tradingview offers. Inside that search box, you're going to type the word double. You don't need to type the full name of the pattern, just writing double is enough to bring up a list of related tools. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the results for anything that includes the word double, so you'll see options for different double patterns and possibly some community scripts as well. From that filtered list, look specifically for double bottom chart pattern. This is the built-in pattern recognition tool that automatically scans your chart for potential double bottom formations. Once you see it in the list, hover over it to make sure you've got the correct one, then click on it to add it to your chart. As soon as you click, Tradingview will begin analyzing your price data and highlighting any areas that match the double bottom criteria. This can take a moment depending on how much history is on your screen, so give it a second to load. When it appears, you'll see the pattern marked directly on your chart, typically with labeled points and a neckline, which makes it much easier to study and act on. If you want smoother performance, more layout options, or additional features while using tools like this, consider upgrading to a paid Tradingview plan. I have an affiliate link in the description that takes you straight to the Tradingview Pro sign up page. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks more advanced charting features that can really improve your technical analysis workflow. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click Indicators, type double, select the double bottom chart pattern, and let Tradingview do the heavy lifting for you.